pull it over your head. Pulling the tape around your waist and fasten it in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when you are leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention and a light that will automatically illuminate when in water. Life jackets for infants will be distributed by the cabin crew. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please adopt the brace position as demonstrated by Mascherano and Piquet.
Oh, Neymar! Fantastic finish! And the whistle's about to blow for full time.
Can we please remind you to make sure your seat is fully upright, your tray table is stowed, and your window blind is fully up. To remind yourself of the safety features of this aircraft, please read the safety card which is located in your seat pocket. If you have any questions, our cabin crew will be happy to help. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight with Qatar Airways.
We look forward to seeing you next time.